Previously on Blacklisted.
I'm excited. I'm going to bring some oil. I'm gonna bring the battery tender, jump box, miscellaneous fluids, brake fluid, and power steering. Just have a little safety kit.
Just when I sell Yola, I used to make plays and shit.
How excited are we?
Super excited.
Super excited.
Can't tell.
Can't tell.
I mean, look who's back there. Literally. How can you not be excited?
Right along time on the Dragon. Josh's beautiful yellow MSP. Let's get it. I can't wait to lower my speed. Oh my god. Your motor mounts are definitely solider than mine.
Yeah, you're gonna feel a lot of vibrations in this car and hear them too. It's like riding on a skateboard.
Yes, 100%.
These guys will do 98 miles an hour through here. Bill's one of them, dude. Bill's a bad man.
Yeah,
80 miles an hour through here.
that's crazy.
Dude, 80.
That's
Bro,
crazy.
50 is way too fast for me.
Yeah,
Like, we're
man.
doing 50 and it's solid. Like, I'm not trying to play the whole let's die tonight.
Literally.
It's dumb as shit. But yeah, he's an ass.
The MP3 would have no chance out here. Oh my goodness. It would have a more consistent like time because you can't count on the turbo to really give you the speed you need in the MP3.
Yes, but I'll be honest with you, Brian is outdrove all of us in that MP3.
Yes, his car. My car is not that. My car couldn't. Oh, I love this. My E46 would eat out here. Oh my god, my Beamer would go crazy.
I need a gimbal so bad.
I can't wait to get my Mazda speed on this. Yes. I need that built
So
so
when
bad.
you guys do come out here, are you on coils?
Not yet. I'm still on stock suspension.
This bump is highly deceiving.
Oh, wow.
And yeah,
Yeah.
I don't hit that with speed anymore, 'cause especially you're turning right after.
Right. You lose control. This isn't that soft D2 bullshit I'm on. So wait, how you feeling back there?
Are we there yet?
I knew it! I knew it!
See if they'll have to open it. We'll turn around and park across the street.
Okay. I knew it, Sway. You're hilarious, man.
You want to get out and stretch your legs for a moment?
Oh my god. Bro.
We're alive.
Yeah, bro. 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 Salute to you, Josh. Even sick. Like, bro. Incredible. Incredible. That was wild. Okay. Dude. That was wild. I love this guy's car, man. What a great car, man.
I hope you got better footage than I did.
Bro. I was trying. You can only get so good, bro. If it's not mounted, you can only get so good.
What?
Oh my god, that was insane. Bro, those tires did work. They never screeched, bro. 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 That's insane.
You got shaken up from the run?
Dude, shaking. Bro, am I even alive right now? I don't even, dude, I don't know what the fuck I died. I swear to God I died.
Shook you up real good.
I swear to God I died.
Fuck yeah.
I swear to God, I don't believe that I'm even here.
Cars at the house. We'll be all right.
I don't even believe that I'm here. That was wicked, bro. My car's not gonna do that. It's not. The suspension, the suspension, it's good. It's good stock suspension.
Y'all be safe.
But like, oh my God, it ain't doing that. Bro, there's no way I'm still.
That was pretty fun.
That was fun that was the most fun I've had since that EXO set. And the fact that this is still stock wheels, meaning these are only 7-inch wide wheels. Like, bro, you don't need a ton of power to have fun. Fuck, bro. That was insane.
I'm just shocked I saw the flame for the first time.
Yeah, that was fire. I heard it.
I heard it, but like I was looking in the rear view at the time.
Yeah.
Like I saw the flame come up over the bumper. It's like, oh shit. Or like over the trunk lid, excuse me. So like
Yeah.
my vantage point, I saw a spoiler and fire. I was
Damn,
like, holy shit.
that's fire.
Okay.
My car, I've heard it happen, but I still haven't been able to determine how I'm making it happen. I've gotten it one time, like from 3rd to 4th in between shift, and I was like, oh, I gotta find that RPM and do that same shift again.
It's all on my downshifts.
Yeah.
It just picks its time. It'll do it several times a run, so if you're behind me, you'll see it.
Yeah. Bro, I can't wait. So I was gonna get some BC or some scales. I was originally thinking of BCs, but now I think I'm gonna just go with scale.
Well, these are K-Sport RRs. That's what these are.
That's the racing.
That's it, yes.
Yeah.
These are racing clothes.
I'm not
why
gonna
it's so
have
funky.
yeah.
You know what I mean?
Oh,
That's
trust
why-
me, I know. My
but
E46
that's
is like
also-
that.
That's also why it stays very pointed.
Exactly. Dude, my E46 would love it out here. I got that car on 18x9s with 265s all around with all poly bushings. There hasn't been a well, there's only 3 parts on the car in total that are still stock. And it's shit that I don't need to do. Like the rear carrier bearing.
The goalpost moves like it has wheels on it with this car. So
Oh,
it's
definitely.
Always something to do.
If you have a Protege, it moves like it's got a train engine in it. The goalpost anyway.